Hey Go-Go guys! Welcome to another Go-Go Bros video. Today Colson and I are going to take our Monster Jam trucks and have a Monster Jam truck jump competition. They're going to go up the ramp of pillows, jump over the Thomas and the excavator, land down on the brown pillow onto the ground. We'll see who has the coolest flips, tricks, and lands on both 2 wheels, 1 wheel, 4 wheels. We'll just have to wait and see. Are you ready to get started, Colson?
Yeah!
Let's do it! Up first we have Dragon and Captain America. Are you guys ready?
Yeah! Yeah!
Let's get jumping! First up is Captain America. He's going up the hill. What's he gonna do? Oh, he goes up. Oh, he gets up about 40 feet and lands on 4 wheels. Awesome job, Captain America. But is it enough points to beat Dragon? Let's see.
Yeah!
Up next is Dragon. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Whoa! He's going up. He's catching air. Oh, and he clips the excavator and rolls, but he lands on 4 wheels backwards. Woo! And the crowd goes wild. Let's see how many points Dragon will get. Now let's go to the judges and see who won the most points. The judges have voted, and the winner is Dragon!
Yeah!
And the crowd goes wild. Good job, Captain America. Now, who's up next? Let's go see who's up next. Up next in the jump competition is other than Iron Man and Monster Mutt. First up is Iron Man. Are you ready, Iron Man? Ready,
Yeah.
set, go!
Go, go, go. Not just here. Yeah.
Is he gonna jump and do a flip? Oh! He does it! And he lands on all 4 wheels. Awesome job, Iron Man. Up next is Monster Mutt. Let's see if he can beat Iron Man's flip, landing on all 4 wheels. Are you ready, Monster Mutt?
Yeah.
Go! He's going up. He's reaching the top. Oh, he does a flip too. Does he land on all 4 wheels? He does. Wow, this is going to be a tight race. Who do you think is going to win? We'll go to the judges now. The judges are deliberating, but I believe they have come up with a winner. And the winner is Monster Mutt by a tongue. Monster Mutt had the most style in his flip. Good try, Iron Man. Up next is other than El Toro Loco and Gravedigger, who will have the most style and the highest jump. Are you ready, El Toro Loco?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go!
Go, go.
He's going up. Is he gonna fall? Is he gonna get high air? Whoa! He makes it! And he lands on all 4 wheels! Awesome job, El Toro Loco, but let's see if your jump can beat Gravedigger! Are you ready, Gravedigger? Let's get racing! Whoa! He's going up the ramp, and he does a flip. Is he gonna land on all 4 wheels? No! Whoa, he rolls and rolls, lands on 1 wheel, and he does a handstand. And then lands on all 4 wheels. I don't know about you, crowd, but I think this is gonna beat out El Toro Loco's flip. Let's go to the judges. And the judges have voted. Who is the winner? The obvious winner is Gravedigger for doing a flip, landing on 2 wheels, and then doing a handstand. Awesome job, Gravedigger. Great try, El Toro Loco. Up next is King Crunch and Max D.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Max D?
Yeah.
Let's get jumping. Go!
Go, go.
Whoa! Do you see that right? He went down, goes back up in the air, hangs out for about 5 seconds, lands back down, and again, finally jumps over the Thomas and the excavator and lands all the way down the hill. That was some jump, Max D. Do you have helium in your tires?
Yeah.
Wow, I don't know if that qualifies as cheating. What did the judges think? No, that was awesome. Hulk says awesome. Iron Man says, that was sweet. And Thor says, hammers down, that was awesome. Up next is King Crunch. I don't think there's any way King Crunch can top that jump. Are you ready, King Crunch?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got. Go! Whoa! That was a sweet jump. Whoa! And you're landed right next to the finish line of all the other Monster Jam trucks. I don't know. Maybe he was just too shy and had to go back in the line after his jump after he saw what Max T did. I think we got 2 more racers left. Let's go get them going. We are down to the last 2 jumpers. We have Mohawk Warrior and Son of a Digger.
Yeah, son digger.
Up first is Son of a Digger. Are you ready, Son of a Digger? Whoop, he's going already. Here he goes. I think he wants to get this race over with after seeing Max D. Oh, yep, he's going in the line too. After Max D's awesome jump with helium in the tires, he's gonna go in the line too. And are you guys ready for the next jump?
Yeah.
Let's go get him. Last jumper is Mohawk Warrior. Let's go, Mohawk Warrior. Whoa! He landed on all 2 wheels. Awesome job, Mohawk Warrior. Let's see the judges' score between Mohawk Warrior and Son of a Digger. Who is the winner? The judges have voted. And the winner between Mohawk Warrior and Son of a Digger is Son of a Digger! Woo! Well, after racing all of our monster trucks, the winner came out to be Max D! Max D had the most awesome jump. He put helium in his tires to give him an awesome advantage. He was not disqualified by the judges. Everybody give a round of applause for Max D. Woo! Awesome job. Did you have fun racing your Monster Jam trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for joining us for another Go-Go Bros video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you could stay up to date with all of our videos. And make sure you check out our Facebook page and our Instagram page in the links below. See you later.